Today we're making the easiest homemade stuffing. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making a super easy stuffing recipe. You'll want to throw away that box mix that you bought from the store and make this one every time. And on the plus side, it's vegan, so you can serve it to all of your guests. So let's get started. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Peel your carrots and your apple. Chop your onion, apple, carrots, and celery to a medium dice. Roughly chop 2 cloves of garlic. Put a few teaspoons of olive oil into a pan and turn it to medium-high heat. Sauté your vegetables until they've just softened but not got any color. Cut your stale bread into cubes. They don't have to be perfect, but roughly around 2 centimeters in size. To our bread, we're going to add a tablespoon of dried sage and then all of those sautéed vegetables. Mix it all together and pour it into your baking dish. Now we're going to pour over 500 milliliters of vegetable stock. Make sure your stock is well seasoned. Add salt if needed. Bake your stuffing in a 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 30 minutes or until it's nice and golden on top. The best thing about this stuffing recipe is you can make it the day before up to this point and then put it in the fridge. Take it out when you're ready to cook it, pop it in the oven, and you'll have beautiful hot stuffing to go with your roast dinner. Now that you've made my stuffing, check out my massive Yorkshire pudding recipe here. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time.